Lesson 1.1. Meet ChatGPT, your gateway to conversational magic. Welcome to the exciting world of ChatGPT, where conversations become an adventure and questions lead to answers that might surprise you. In this first lesson, we'll embark on a journey to understand what ChatGPT is, how it works, and discover the magic it brings to everyday interactions. Unveiling the wizard behind ChatGPT. Imagine having a conversation with a computer program that not only understands what you're saying but responds in a way that feels almost human. That's the enchanting capability of ChatGPT, powered by the GPT 3.5 architecture. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is like the wizard behind the curtain, making your interactions with ChatGPT possible. Conversations that sparkle. Let's get hands-on and see the magic in action. ChatGPT works by taking the words you type as input and generating responses that make sense in context. It's like having a chat with an incredibly knowledgeable friend who always has something interesting to say. Try this. Type a question or a prompt in the box below and witness the magic unfold. Input box. Feel free to experiment with different types of questions, from asking about your favorite movie to seeking advice on what to have for dinner. ChatGPT is here to respond with enthusiasm. Where does ChatGPT shine? Now that we've experienced a taste of the magic, let's explore where ChatGPT truly shines. This conversational wizard is not limited to just casual banter. It excels in a variety of scenarios. 1. Learning assistance. Are you stuck on a tricky homework problem or trying to understand a complex concept? ChatGPT can be your study buddy, helping you navigate through challenges. 2. Creative writing. Whether you need inspiration for a story, poem, or even a catchy slogan, ChatGPT is ready to unleash its creative powers. 3. Brainstorming ideas. Stuck in a creative rut at work? Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and break through those mental barriers. 4. Programming assistance. Are you a coder seeking help with a piece of code or debugging? ChatGPT can lend a hand in the coding realm. 5. Language translation. Planning a trip to a foreign country? ChatGPT can assist with language translation, making your journey smoother. A peek behind the curtain. So, how does ChatGPT work its magic? It's all about learning from a diverse range of internet text to understand context and generate relevant responses. Think of it as a well-read wizard who can draw upon a vast library of knowledge to answer your questions. Wrapping up the enchantment. As we conclude this first lesson, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of ChatGPT. It's not just a tool, it's a companion, a problem solver, and a source of inspiration. In the next lesson, we'll delve deeper into the art of crafting questions to get the most enchanting responses from ChatGPT. But for now, keep the conversation going. Try different prompts, explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, and let the magic unfold before your eyes. The world of conversational AI is at your fingertips, and you're just getting started on this incredible journey. Stay curious, and embrace the magic of ChatGPT.